Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. Today we are continuing our video series designed to educate the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Let's talk about some tips for going to court in your family law case. Let's say it's a divorce. So what are some tips that I can provide you based on experience here at the firm which will assist you in trying to get a better result? But there's some specific tips and there's some general tips. I suppose the general tip would be to prepare thoroughly. Go over things with your lawyer, work out a game plan. If your lawyer has a game plan strategy that he wants to employ, work with him or her on it. Don't decide to row the canoe up a different path yourself, because you know what's going to happen? Your lawyer's going one way, you're going another way, and it's not going to work. You hired your lawyer for his or her expertise. You paid them a lot of money. Trust that they're going to direct you in the right way. Don't work against them. Work with them. Now, here's a simple thing, but I can't stress enough. Dress and act appropriately for the court. Understand and respect the institution of the court. It's not something that we had to see in years past. When people came to court, they dressed like they were going to, their congregation or their church. I mean, they wore a coat and tie, and nothing was inappropriate. People didn't wear flip-flops or gym shoes. It was a different environment. The Zoom environment that came about mostly after COVID helped out a lot in terms of certain things, but also contributed to what I believe is a general disrespect for the court and the institution of the court. I think that we see more and more people showing up and they're not even wearing shoes. I'm lucky if they're even wearing pants. We've had people eating yogurt during proceedings, munching on apples. Come on, people. You cannot expect to have the credibility of the court if you don't give the court appropriate respect. And what happens? The judges figure it out. And they'll say, oh, I'm not proceeding unless you go put on a shirt, put on this, stop doing this, stop doing that. Things that the court should not have to tell people to do. But there's been a general decline in the respect that people have for lawyers, for judges, for the court system. They somehow feel that since it's by Zoom that it's like not real or something, or they don't feel that they need to accord the court the appropriate respect. Well, I'm here to tell you that you do, and it's going to be held against you. So let's dress and act appropriately. Not only that, follow your attorney's guidance. If your attorney says, I see these witnesses you want to call, I'm not going to call them because they don't provide anything relevant. Don't start arguing with her about it. Don't give him a hard time about it. We've had people who've come to court, they bring all sorts of family members and everything like this. Well, this is Aunt Shirley. She's going to testify that I'm a good father. I'm going to this. I'm going to do. You know what? Your attorney will decide whether or not it's necessary. Your attorney will decide whether or not bringing family members to testify on behalf of other family members actually resonates with the court. Sometimes it backfires when the court sees too many family members coming forward and yet no objective witnesses coming forward. So that can really backfire. Your lawyer's going to know, though, based on his or her experience, what evidence has real quality. What testimony is going to likely be impactful in your case, and what is a waste of time. Your attorney's also going to know that particular judge and know how much time they're willing to allocate at this moment for taking of proofs. You might think you'll bring all these witnesses in. Guess what? You got a third of the way through it, and the court says, okay, I've heard enough from plaintiff, let me hear from defense. And then you really haven't gotten to where you got to be with that. And that could happen. So follow your lawyer's guidance in this regard. Now, if you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.